Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will go through the AutoCAD interface. So as you can see, I have opened AutoCAD software, so you can see many options. So this mostly like this area we use for 2D drawings. These tools we use for modifying them, and this for the layers and the blocks. And when we start working, we will be making different kind of layers. So we will start from line. So for creating the line, you will type L here and press enter. And after that, you can choose any specific point to start the line. See, as it started. If you want to create continue line, you can click anywhere. Let's create this shape, and when I press escape, so this will be end. Okay, and if you want to erase it, again you will type E here and press enter and choose which you want to erase and click enter. So all will be deleted. And then for the circle, you will press C, you will press enter, and you will take any point and you can draw the circle also. Okay. So now let's understand the units, how it works, how you will check that which kind of dimensions you are working with. So you will write here units and you will press enter. So after that you will see this pop-up will appear. So there are different options like architecture, technician, then engineering, then functional, then scientific. For creating home design, you will choose architect, and you can choose this one like 0 to 1.8 inch. Okay, and you can choose decimal degree, and you can click it as the inch, and this area should be international. Okay, so you click OK. So now we will create one rectangle. You will write REC and you will click here, and you can write like you have an area of 30 feet, and you will write 30 or okay. So you will click enter. So it will create all rectangle for us, as you can see. Okay. If you want to check the dimension, you will write DIM and click enter. You can select from 1 to other area. You can see it's 2 feet 6 inches because we write 30. Okay. Also here same, you can check. So this is how the dimensions work. Okay.